Today I'm going to talk about the colonization of Mars, why and how to do it. So, well, since the beginning of space travel, we've been wondering, like, where can we go, right? Like, can we go to other planets, to stars? Like, I don't know, just having lots of ideas of like where we can reach with our technology, right? So, several scientists and engineers started thinking of the idea of going to Mars for, well, several reasons. But some of the main ones, well, first of all, the surface conditions, because it's not a terribly hostile terrain, and well, according to some research, it's already been like filled with water, which is like another reason. The Mars is a planet that's billions of years older than the Earth, and well, it actually started like this, according to some research, and well, currently it looks like that, like just a dry red sphere, right? And it has an atmosphere, unlike the Moon, because some other people think that colonizing the Moon would be a better idea to start with, but it doesn't have an atmosphere which could support life, right? Like in a natural way. Now, first reason why colonizing Mars is a good idea. Well, first, its similarity to Earth. So as I just mentioned, it has water, and it's been discovered mainly on the polar caps and underground. And well, regarding the date of like a Martian date would be really close to an Earth date, which would be 24 hours in the case of the Earth and 24.5 hours in Mars. So that's pretty close. It's not like you're living a 70-hour day or something crazy, right? So it's fairly similar. And well, the gravity is fairly lower, but it's still something that we could withstand. So 1 G in Mars would be 2.7 G in Earth, approximately. And well, also it's likely to share the same like climate, but not under the conditions that it's under right now. After it's terraformed, it could share the similar conditions in terms of climate. Now, there's another thing, its scientific secrets and values. If we go and explore Mars, it's, well, since I already mentioned, it's a planet that's billions of years older than Earth. We can discover so much more about how planets evolve, and well, like just as we did with Earth, right? This is an example of like the different eras of history, how evolution went on, and well, it could give a really good scientific insight. Go there. Third reason, its diplomatic potential. We're all wondering, okay, so what's gonna happen if we go to space and like, okay, one country like is in charge of a trip or in charge of the colonization? Or, well, we necessarily don't have to look at this as a bad thing. We can actually see it as a good thing, as a way to just coming to a diplomatic agreement in which like things so old as like kings or like I don't know, just dictatorships, stuff like that will just be part of the history, right? Okay, fourth reason, its economic value. So well, just as Andrew, right?
Yeah.
Just as Andrew was saying, Well, if we go to space, we can get a lot of valuable stuff from there, and we can bring it back. And well, not only if we go to space and bring back the stuff, but also Mars itself has 144 trillion square meters of surface area. And if you ever play The Sims or anything like that, you'll see that it's a lot of space to build your stuff, right? So it's got a lot of potential. And also there's lots of rare metals like platinum, gold, silver, which can be exported to Earth, right? And also, if technology evolves that pace, then it would be pretty easy to just go to the asteroid belt, which is right beside Mars, and do asteroids mining. And these asteroids also contain several minerals, which can be really, really useful for well, Earth and Mars itself. Fifth reason, its location.